Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Chainlink on Kraken, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase Link tokens through this secure and reputable exchange. Step 1. Visit the Kraken website and click Create Account. Provide your email, create a strong password, and verify your email address through the confirmation link. Step 2. Complete the account verification process by providing personal information and uploading identity documents. Kraken has different verification tiers depending on your deposit and trading needs. Step 3. Log in to your verified account and navigate to Funding in the main menu. Choose your preferred deposit method and currency to add funds to your account. Step 4. Once funds are deposited, click on Buy Crypto in the navigation menu. Search for Chainlink, or use the symbol LINK to find the cryptocurrency. Step 5. Select your payment currency and enter the amount of Link you want to purchase or the amount of fiat currency you want to spend. Review the exchange rate and fees. Step 6. Click Buy Now to execute the purchase immediately at the current market price. Kraken will show a confirmation with the transaction details. Step 7. Your Link tokens will appear in your Kraken wallet under the Funding section. You can trade, stake, or withdraw them to an external wallet for safekeeping. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.